gozaimasu, it's Mikan and welcome to my channel. Today it's a rainy Saturday day in Osaka. We are going to chill around, seeing friends, and I hope to go to my favorite part of Osaka, which is Omae so far. So I hope to get there today. Follow me around. Stop! Hehe, actually it's not a regular vlog today because Kotaro, our Osaka Jin friend, prepared for us a little tour of Osaka, of everything we and you need to go and do when coming here. So I hope you'll enjoy that day with us as I did, and that being said, let's go back to the video. Nico is here. Osaka, Kansai also means okonomiyaki, so today we are having lunch at okonomiyaki, and the name place is Yukari. So you can see Yukari, but I have my own chopsticks, of course. Well, we are at Osaka, Kansai region, so of course we had to try okonomiyaki and takoyaki, but for some obscure reason, we never had takoyaki. We kind of forgot. Okonomiyaki is so good, it's my brother's favorite Japanese dish. This is just kind of waffle with cabbage inside and pretty much anything you like. An okonomiyaki sauce on top, a kind of ketchup made of soy, I think, mayo, skipjack and parsley. This time I went for mochi mochi okonomiyaki. It was delicious. Next up is the famous Nobayasaka Jinja with its giant lion. We don't know much about this place nor when it was constructed. The lion, which is a big stage, was maybe made to look like Taiwanese shrine style, but what we know is that every third Sunday on January is held on this stage the story of Susanoo and the dragon Yamata no Orochi that you probably heard of. If a bad guy proposes you DS or candy, you can't because look at his shadow. It's not good. Now a little tour to Amerikamura, the cool area of Osaka, the Shibuya of Osaka in short. To get something that was on my bucket list for a long time, thanks to TikTok. Wow, すげえ。ありがとうございます。Voila! A giant ice cream. I'm so happy. Well, don't search for this shop, it do not exist anymore. Instead, you'll find Poppin, another ice cream shop, but there are no longer long ice cream. Long. 5 Ichi, or in Japanese Koko Ichi for Koko Ichiban, is really famous in Osaka for them butaman. I didn't know. and I wouldn't know if it wasn't Kotaro to bring us to this place. They are fresh made in front of you. Smell delicious.
豚まんが4つ1箱でございます。当時冷蔵保存料日持ち、あさってまでございます。大丈夫です。大丈夫です。はい。お入れしておきますね。
After my long ice cream snack, we got butaman, which is a specialty of Osaka, it seems like, and now we are heading to the castle to eat them there. And the package and everything is so cute. Just, I can't wait. Nico nico ni. 'Another must go at Osaka Castle. After getting umbrellas at the companies, we went to a place dear to my heart, Osaka Castle. 2020. I love it. I think I went there 3 times in my life already. Like, yeah, I love it. So 4 years ago I went there. I went upstairs, these big stairs, with my Shirotsu and took these really important pictures for me. So I needed to eat on Sagai. Wow, so kirei.
Wow. 冷めてるけど。
OK、大丈夫。豚まん。
はい、わさび。
はい、このスタートは。
おいしい。Someone touched me up. It was raining a lot and we were so cold that we decided to visit the palace next to Osaka Castle. It was interesting, there were a bunch of shops and fun activities to do there, but for now we just went to the souvenir shops. This is where I used to enjoy my time in Osaka. The big wheels. Last activity of the day, Umeda's big wheel. It was on my to-go list for years and finally I was able to ride it. I'm so happy. Today is a happy day. We are basically pretty much on the top now. Yay! That's so beautiful! And it was only 600 yen. Yay! I really recommend it. It's the first time that I get inside. I'm so happy. We are on the top. Yes.
Oh yes. We can.
Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. ありがとうございます。はい。 went to work and to spend a little bit more time with him, we went to his restaurant for some fresh fish. And God, it was delicious too! Well. Good appetite, and I'm gonna enjoy my meal and say you goodbye now. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy my vlog, like again, subscribe, comment, everything, and see you on the next time. Love you!
楽しみにしてるぜ。